Hey all, Exidian here. This is my automated AFK crop harvesting and cooking farm. I will be putting this into 5 or 6 parts to cover each bit one by one, but it harvests up to 6 different types of crops and will cook them while you are AFK in a configuration that you desire. To start using the farm, you show up here. If you are just loading in the area, this shroomman will be going out here because it goes through the door. It'll take around 2 minutes for it to get back. You put all of your stuff into a chest, including your gear. You take the jellyfish and equip it. You want to make sure that you have no points in balanced stance, and you want to make sure that you have no points in studied patterns, so that you have 0 dodge chance. Thorns is fine as long as you don't have too much. To start the farm, you turn on this switch. This will start most of the farm, and to actually start the AFK part, you flip this switch. Now, if you already have crops grown, what you first want to do is step on this pressure plate once, and then flip this switch. Right here. Then you stand here. You aim above your character, bit to the right, bit to the left is fine as long as it's not too far to the left. I always go a bit to the right to be safe. And then you hold right click. The shroomman will see you, push you along, run back, see the hunter, run back, and while you're holding right click, you will plant your 8 crops. Just in time to get your next seed and plant the next 8 crops. While you are planting all of this, there's a lot of things happening in the background. While a player with 5 points into gardening will have a 100% drop rate for seeds on crops, everything else has only a 75% drop rate for seeds. So there is a farm that is making it so we replenish that 25% of seeds. And then this belt will carry you all the way back. I'm just going to move across it so it's faster. And then you will end up here again, where that whole process takes somewhere around 2 minutes. And then for the next 30 minutes or so, you will wait here until after 30 minutes, the doors will open and the shroomman will push you out again, ready to harvest the next, or ready to plant the next crop cycle. While you are AFK, the crops, about a minute and a half before you get pushed, or 2 minutes or so before you get pushed. These crops will eventually be harvested by these drills, where they will be carried up into these systems here. These systems will separate out the seeds from the crops so that the seeds can be planted, and the crops will go along this top belt, where they will feed into this machine, which will automatically cook your food. Machines, when cooking your food, you have two options. One is to put drills by the cooking pots to allow you to harvest yourself with the chance of getting epic food, or you can set up a crane or a robot arm next to the cooking pot so that it will auto harvest it if you don't care about that particular dish being of a rarer quality. In the next parts, I will go over each individual part of this machine. There is the cooking station, the timer, the crop seed separation, the farm, the mob farm for the crops, and the seed separation from mob drops. Alright, I look forward to showing you guys the rest of this.